Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Asran and today I am proud to present to you our group project for KT 24602 Software Engineering, a digital solution that aims to enhance the cultural tourism experience in Sabah, especially through our local museums. So let me walk you through our idea while I also guide you through the prototype. So this is actually the login screen that you're seeing now. So basically, this project, the objective is very simple but yet meaningful, which is to make museums in Sabah more engaging, interactive, and also informative, especially for younger visitors like family and also families and also tourists. So we developed a mobile first web application concept that combines four interactive modules that I'm going to show you one by one after this. So it is designed to make museum visit more enjoyable and educational. So this system, we call it as Bayu, and it is built based on real user needs that we gathered through interviews, surveys, and also observations during our requirement elicitation phase. So this is the login page, okay, and then this is the loading page before they get you into the main page of this application. So the first module include the museum guide and information. So this module allow user to explore all museum across Sabah, so they can view details like history, collection, highlights, opening hours, ticket prices, and also contact information. So it's simple, clean, and also very useful, especially for tourists who are planning their visits. What make it unique is that it is a centralized guide for all museums in one place, something that isn't widely available in Sabah yet. The second module is actually the AR map and navigation. So here is actually where it gets exciting because this module provides an augmented reality navigation experience inside the museum. As you can see here, so when users scan their surroundings using their phone, the phone camera, okay, they will see arrows and direction of light to guide them to different exhibits. So that is one of our unique selling point because not many tourism apps in Malaysia have AR based indoor navigation, especially when we talk about museums and also in Sabah. The next module, the third one, is actually cultural events and also activities where we actually make it in all ready in this app. So this module acts like a digital cultural calendar and it lists all the museums related events from dance, storytelling, and user can view the full event details, watch teaser videos, and also uh, they can actually have engagement through informations. So user don't need to walk in randomly. They can come prepared and be excited. They can even set some reminders, okay? And also they can give their feedback about the event itself, okay? So they can see the calendars actually over here, the tickets that they have booked, okay? And also the calendar that they already booked. Okay, and last but not least, the fourth module, which is one of the best module, which is gamification. So this is our favorite part, okay, because the gamification module, we designed this especially for younger audience because it includes interactive quiz related to the exhibits. And also, for example, like this one, okay, if they can answer the question, okay, this is how it looks like, and then they can go to the next question. All right, and then lastly they will give them an end of the quiz lah. Okay, so that is the quiz, and then other than quiz they can also play a treasure hunt, which is they will give some kind of like clue inside the treasure hunt things. Okay, so they need to find what are these items and then they need to scan the QR that was placed at that particular places or section inside the museum. Okay, so this module turns a museum trip into a fun learning adventure, and it is one of the biggest things that make our system stand out from traditional museum apps. They can even collect some points, they can have the ranking, and also they can collect some badges. All right. So behind all this, we follow the agile methodology. Okay, and then to plan our work in sprint and using tools like Trello, Figma, Canva, and also Google Form. So we created a complete requirement list and a data flow diagram and entity relationship model to make sure every module is backed by proper documentation. Okay, so in the end, this project allowed us to actually apply the full software development lifecycle from requirement analysis, designing, prototyping, testing, and evaluation without needing to code the actual system. So we hope that this concept can one day be used by real stakeholders such as Sabah Tourism Board, museums, and also educators. So thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoy exploring our prototype as much as we enjoy building it. Thank you.